What we're doing, it's referred to as a functional exercise, where everything happens in real time. We send in pieces of information to all our partners that are working in the exercise, and then they work through the issues. So it's referred to as a functional exercise. There's many different levels of exercises, and this is actually near the very top level. The purpose is to increase our abilities for operational coordination, everybody working together, increase our operational communications, make sure that we can all talk to each other and communicate information clearly, make sure that we can get out appropriate public messaging, and just to establish the relationships. Relationships are extremely important in emergency management.